What up, people? Today, well, right now, what I'm doing is gonna disconnect this condenser because you see they're gonna pour cement, and I don't know if they're gonna put it back, but I would have put it over here in this corner. But whatever. Here we go. See, man, it was poured yesterday. It's pretty much clear. Time to reconnect, reinstall this unit. So stay tuned. I had a system and a pressure test at 140. It's been like this for like 5 minutes, just to make sure there's no leaks before I put these on and use that vacuum pump. Let's go. Here we go. Vacuum pump connected. Just turned it on a minute ago. Stay tuned. Alrighty, we're done. Unit's up and running. We got done. That didn't work. Put the stuff away and call it. Time to go. If you ever need your condenser relocated or moved for concrete, you know who to call. With repairs, heating and cooling.